Mira, look! The soup is glowing!
Wait, Zuri, don't eat that yet.
Whoa! Look at my tail! It's shiny!
Hold on tight, little sis.
Whee! Watch out below!
I got you covered.
Uh-oh, the lipstick is angry!
Zuri, what did you do? Quick, before Mom sees.
Scrub, scrub, scrub! Phew!
The crystal has chosen its guardian.
Me? But I'm only 5.
You can do this, Zuri. Trust yourself.
Power up! Help! The world is losing its color!
The magic is fading. Zuri, we have to combine our strength. Together on 3. 1, 2, 3!
Take that, darkness! You saved us!
Not bad for a 5-year-old.
Next time, I'm driving.